And may we request Senator Soto to give us a short message.
The Chairman and the Commissioners of the Commission on Election at sa makapangyarihang mamamayang Pilipino, ang pinakamahalaga at una sa lahat ay ang aking pagpapasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos. Lahat ng kapurihan at karangalan ay sa Kanya. I would like to thank all those who supported and helped me during this campaign, the Alyansa of the President, especially my family, and my beloved wife, Helen. Gagampanan ko ang tungkulin na inyong binigay sa akin sa abot ng aking makakaya. Nakakaasa kayo na buong puso at kaisipan ko na kayo'y paglilingkuran. In the Philippine Senate, from 1916 to the present, I am privileged to be the first and presently the only senator who have been elected 5 terms or 5 times. In these terms, I have made legislations and principally authored 259 laws that improved and elevated the lives of the Filipinos. In this 5th term, I will exercise oversight on existing laws to ensure that it is properly implemented. I will make sure that the budget of the government is used correctly. And most of all, I will make certain to restore the good image, integrity, and independence of the institution. Nais ko pong mag-iwan ng maayos na legasiya, hindi lamang para sa aking sarili, kundi para sa mga nauna po sa akin, sila Senator Vicente Yap Soto at Senator Filemon Soto, and most especially for the future generations of Sotos who will serve the Filipino people. My utmost gratitude to the millions of Filipinos who have given me their trust and confidence, and most especially to the great architect of the universe, my God. Ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat, mabuhay ang Pilipinas.